we're going to show you an example of why you should never open up your cabin door and the
balcony
door
Even
at the
if
same
they're really
time.
far apart.
Especially this far apart. This far apart is a lot brutal. And also, too, this cabin, our balcony door is facing forward, so the air is just rushing in here. So, go open that door first. Hold that door open first. Let me turn the camera around. Over there.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna commence the balcony door. So here's the balcony door.
I'm gonna open it.
Here's the balcony door. There's the door right there. Could you open it? Pull it. It's gonna be hard to open. Nope, you're locking it. Pull it. Go ahead there. Oh, everything. It's like a hurricane. It's like a hurricane in here. Hey, close the bathroom. Look, it's like the bathroom's open. I close it. Close it. You okay? You okay? You okay? Yo, it's funny how when you close the door, everything just stops immediately.
Collector's all the way over here.
Oh man. Look, oh, you look. Know what the funny part is? The whole wall is wet.
Yeah, the whole wall.
Look at the TV. Look at the TV.
Like it's all wet.
Don't rub your hands on there.
What?
Look, she's rubbing her hands on the wall. Don't rub your hand on. Yo, how crazy is that?
Gosh, that was funny. Condensation.
Okay, and that is why you don't open the balcony door and the cabin door at the same time. I wish you could feel that. That is a hot mess. And believe me, it looked bad. It probably sounded bad, all the wind howling, but it felt a lot worse than it was.
Actually, like it feels like you know how like when it's really windy because the ship is going back to Florida,
Yeah.
and you're like trudging your way outside
Yeah,
because it's so
yeah.
windy. It feels like that.
Yeah, literally. And then the funny part is Electra closed the door as Nancy was walking in, and she was fighting the wind, but then the wind stopped. She almost busted her ass.
She just fell. Where did the other wind go?